Well, what was meant to be a historic Lionel Messi moment in India has ended in chaos. Fans inside the stadium are furious, alleging massive mismanagement. Messi has already left the venue after disorder broke out in the stands. He is now headed to Hyderabad. Important to understand that several fans say that they could not get a proper glimpse of the football icon. Well, anger spilled over as barricades were breached and bottles were thrown on the ground. Security quickly cordoned off Messi, cutting short his planned stadium lap. While fans on the ground are calling the event an absolute disgrace. Some have even termed it as a scam, saying their expectations were completely shattered. Of course, fresh visuals coming in. Remember that the right side of the screen depicts to you fresh visuals coming straight from the Salt Lake Stadium. Important to understand that chaos was in fact what was erupted in the stadium, as of course fans started throwing bottles at even the event organizers. Remember that fans are not happy with the fact that many of them could not catch a glimpse of the football icon Lionel Messi, who is present in India at the moment. Remember that Lionel Messi is in India as part of his 3-city GOAT tour. He will be visiting Hyderabad next. Remember that these are his visuals from Kolkata. He was not even able to take the entire lap of the stadium when the chaos erupted. Remember, it's important to understand is that Messi was forced to leave the stadium within 20 minutes. Meanwhile, my colleague Ritik Mondal has been tracking the story from inside the stadium for us. Take a look at what he has.
Let me show you what is exactly happening inside the Yuva Bharati Stadium. As you can see that the spectators have burst out, the entire barricades, and they have entered the stadium soon after Messi was taken out. We can see the spectators over here. Radha, कहाँ से आए?
हम लोग आया न्यू टाउन कल रायगढ़।
क्या हालत है? मेसी को देख पाए थे?
नहीं।
क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? कौन जिम्मेदार है?
हम लोग 4,000 5,000 ड्रीम मोल के यही देखने आए। हम लोग बोलिए यही देखने आया है। आज कलकत्ता का हालत देखिए क्या हो रहा है, किस लिए हो रहा है? मेसी को नहीं देखा पुलिस, अगर मेसी को देखता तो ये हालत नहीं होता।
We can see that people are throwing bottles. There are spectators and
কলকাতার লোক ভদ্র, মেসি চলে যাওয়ার প্রতিবাদ করেছে।
What is the reason you are angry for?
এটা চূড়ান্ত অবস্থা, এটা স্ক্যাম হয়েছে, स्कैम।
जिम्मेदार है इसके लिए?
जो कमेटी है
जिम्मेदार है, ठीक है। वो लोग
मैनेजमेंट जिम्मेदार है।
स्कैम किया,
पूरा महीना का सैलरी देके इधर आया आठवीं ने, उसका बाल भी नहीं देख पाया मेसी का। नेता
पैसे देके टिकट खरीदे थे
5,000 रुपया का।
5,000 रुपए का कहाँ से आए?
दमदम से आए। 5,000।
These are the situation, but we can see that they are angry.
बच्चा लेके आए हैं।
Well, we can see that the absolute chaos and law and order situation deteriorated inside the stadium. We can see that RAF has been brought in. RAF has been called in. Commissioner of Police has arrived over here. We can see Mukesh Kumar, Commissioner of Police has been brought in as the entire, people, they have barged the barricades and they, came inside the stadium. Let me tell you what exactly happened, how it's unfolded. Soon, Messi was came in into this thing, and then they are throwing this thing. They are throwing bottles at police. They are throwing things to police. This is absolutely lawlessness situation inside Yuva Bharati Stadium. Police has brought in. This is Ritik for NDTV. Chaos at Yuva Bharati Stadium due to the mismanagement. The Lionel Messi had to, taken out of the Yuva Bharati Stadium. Now I can show you that the total vandalism, it went on. Now that the spectators have gathered over here, they are barging the barricades and they are entering the stadium. They even throw, several bottles. The situation went out of hand as people gathered over here. They, totally gathered and surrounded Messi, and now we can see that large section of spectators, they have gathered over here, and now they are went on ruckusing and vandalizing the entire thing. This is Ritik for NDTV from Kolkata. मेसी के इवेंट को लेकर बेहद कवास का माहौल है। फिलहाल मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि किस तरीके से तोड़फोड़ किया जा रहा है 20 मिनट तक मेसी युवा भारती स्टेडियम पर रहे। उसके फौरन बाद उसे निकलना पड़ा क्योंकि जैसे कई सारे मंत्री और डिग्निटरीज मैदान में आ गए थे, भीड़ इतना हो गया, बार बार उन्हें अनुरोध करने के बाद भी सिक्योरिटी रीजन के वजह से मेसी को बाहर निकलना पड़ा। उसके फौरन बाद हम देख सकते हैं कि स्टेडियम के अंदर तोड़फोड़ किया जा रहा है और जितने भी चेयर्स हैं वो तोड़े जा रहे हैं। अफरा तफरी का माहौल है क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पर आए थे, लाखों करोड़ों खर्च करके कोलकाता के आसपास से भी आए थे और कई सारे हजारों रुपए से वो टिकट खरीदे थे, लेकिन मेसी का पूरा इवेंट जो है वो कैंसिल करना पड़ा, रद्द करना पड़ा सिक्योरिटी की वजह से, क्योंकि भीड़ इतना ज्यादा थी। चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी पधारने वाले थे, उससे पहले शाहरुख खान आ सके, उससे पहले ही सिक्योरिटी रीजन की वजह से मेसी को निकलना पड़ा यहाँ से और इस कारण फिलहाल जो भीड़ है यहाँ पर स्टेडियम में तोड़फोड़ कर रहे हैं।
Well, on this, my colleagues Ritik and Rika joining us on the broadcast. Ritik, I wish to understand from you. We understand that there has been chaos at the stadium. We've of course seen visuals from inside the stadium which show the extent of the vandalism. There's also bottles that were thrown at the officials. Walk us through what exactly was it that happened.
Are really gathered over here. We can see they are we gotta go across them and try to understand what exactly happened. Calm down. Guys, what exactly happened inside?
এটা অর্গানাইজড ক্রাইম 2026 নির্বাচনের টাকা জোগাড় করার জন্য
What exactly happened inside? Who is responsible for that?
The organizer is completely responsible, along with the Kolkata police is completely responsible. We couldn't see any Messi or the other players. The police and the media had covered him. We couldn't see anything, and hence this anger is coming out.
What exactly happened inside?
পশ্চিমবঙ্গের ইতিহাসে আজকে একটা কালো দিন হলো। টোটাল পলিটিক্স করে করে আমাদের পশ্চিমবঙ্গের মানুষকে শেষ করে দিচ্ছে এরা।
क्या देखे थे आप जब अंदर गए थे? क्या देखे थे?
আমরা 12,000 13,000 15,000 দিয়ে টিকিট কাটা হয়েছে। 15 দিন আগে থেকে এত আমাদেরকে মেসি আসবে করে
person is carrying the ticket. क्या हुआ था? Calm down. क्या हुआ था?
It was a shit show. No one has seen Messi properly. We have seen Messi only in the giant screen. There were around 200 people who were around Messi. No one can see him. Be it 5,000 rupees ticket, be it 11,000 rupees ticket, no one can see Messi. It was a shit show. It was
Before I come to this people, let me tell you what exactly happened. What exactly unfolded inside the stadium? Messi stayed inside the iconic Yuva Stadium for 20 minutes, but surrounded by ministers, dignitaries, including Sports Minister Arup Biswas. In spite of the fact there were several requests by the organizers, even Shatru Dutto, against whom several questions have been labeled because he is the main organizer. Let me also go across to some other spectators having they are the fans of Messi. What exactly happened? कौन जिम्मेदार है जो हुआ है?
শতাদ্রু দত্ত আমাদের কি বলেছিল, কি শতাদ্রু দত্ত নিজের মুখের কথা কি ছিল? আমরা ইভেন্ট অর্গানাইজার আমাদের শতাদ্রু দত্ত, ও কি বলেছিল যে মেসি পুরো মাঠটা ঘুরবে, একটা রাউন্ড মেসি রাউন্ডটা মারবে, পেনাল্টি শুট আউট মেসি করবে না, যারা যেই টিম আমাদের ওটা দেখার দরকার নেই, মেসি পুরোটা। আর কে কারা কারা মাঠে থাকবে? 3 জন যারা এসেছিল তারা মাঠে থাকার কথা। আর কি বলেছিল বাচ্চাদের সাথে
आप किन किन को देखे हैं?
সবাই যারা সবাই
अंदर पूरा मीडिया घेरा हुआ था। अरूप विश्वास था, मेसी को पकड़ के रखे थे, हम लोग कुछ नहीं देख पाया। एक पर्सन मेसी को नहीं
खुद कंफ्यूज है, वो बोल रहा है प्लीज जाइए प्लीज। अरे क्या प्लीज भाई, तू ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है ना, तू क्यों प्लीज बोल रहा है? तू हटा, पुलिस कुछ नहीं कर पाया।
It was because of the absolute lack of management.
Absolute lack of management.
এটাকে বলা হয়
From outside of Kolkata, sir.
We have spent 12,000 rupees. We have came in the near A1 block only.
So you're coming from which city?
Hyderabad.
So this evening,
I spent 30,000.
I know that this evening Messi will be arriving at your city, but you came all along from Hyderabad to get the glimpses because he is arriving in Kolkata.
Yes, that is the reason.
So what exactly? How was the situation inside?
So, see, actually, we all paid money for tickets for money, but
Fine.
the politicians and the local, the event manager people only they have seen. They didn't see an actual.
was so bad. We can't see Messi just
They are
once.
taking signatures and like
There was
Actually,
full crowd
So let me tell you what exactly unfolded inside. Messi came in around 11:30ish, and amidst the situation, there were preparations and the other program were being carried out. Then all of a sudden, a huge crowd and the dignitaries, including Bengal Minister Arup Bishwas and the main organizer Shotudru, he was also present at that point in time. All started taking glimpses and taking snips, selfies or autographs by this football superstar, and that led this chaos. In spite of the fact police tried to initiate to take those people out of from the stadium or the ground, but they failed, and that led to chaos due to security reason. We were given to understand that Messi were taken out of the stadium, and then that led a huge chaos inside the stadium. You just heard that many of the spectators came all along outside of the Kolkata, because Kolkata is very significant as per Kolkata football is concerned, and for the second time Messi is touring this city of joy, and which is why many came from Hyderabad also, but they are surely disappointed. That incident raising several concerns. Let me also tell you that before Shah Rukh Khan and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee could arrive at the stadium, this entire event had to called off due to the security reason, and now police is trying to disperse the crowd, and many are coming out of the stadium with disappointment. Back to you.
Right, absolutely. My colleague Ritik there on ground telling us about how the situation is. Of course, he's also spoken to fans, and it just goes on to show the extent of agitation that the fans have. Remember, of course, visuals present there on your screens at the moment, these show the extent of the agitation of course, the fans who in fact even began vandalizing the stadium. Well, going back to my colleague Ritik on this, Ritik, you were mentioning that several TMC ministers, including Arup Biswas, who happens to be the sports minister, was seen right next to Lionel Messi, and of course we also saw the person who was in charge of the entire management of the event, who was also present, and rest also we saw like there was of course many people who were of course right next to Messi, and at a time in which the public has paid to see Messi, you could only see those people and not Messi, the star of the event.
लोगों ने जो देखा, मेसी वहां पहुंचने के साथ साथ वहां पर कई सारे डिग्निटरीज, जिनमें से शामिल थे बंगाल के मिनिस्टर अरूप बिश्वास जो खेल मंत्री है, इसके साथ साथ जो ऑर्गेनाइजर है शोतुद्रू, उसके अलावा कई सारे डिग्निटरीज मैं जिक्र करना चाहूंगा कि उनमें से ज्यादातर पुलिस के आला ऑफिसर्स थे, और कई सारे जो नामचीन लोग हैं शहर के वो घिरे हुए थे, और ये भी कम नहीं था, ये 200 के तादाद पर था, और जिसके कारण जो लोग वहां पर थे वो डिसअपॉइंटेड हो गए, क्योंकि सिर्फ सिक्योरिटी रीजन के वजह से उन्हें वहां से फौरन निकलना पड़ा। आइए बात करते हैं जो लोग ना कई कोलकाता के बाहर से आए हैं, तो ये लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्या हुआ था अंदर?
हमारे वर्ल्ड टॉप एकजन मोस्ट पॉपुलर ये हिंदी
क्या हुआ था अंदर? अब कहां से आए?
सबसे पहले कहना चाहिए कि वी हैव लव फॉर मेसी, हम मेसी को पसंद करते हैं। ये पूरा जो भी हुआ, ये टोटल जो मैनेजमेंट है पूरा टट्टी मैनेजमेंट था, और जो हम देख सकते हैं हमने लोग कई देशों से, मतलब कई सिटी से भी आए हैं।
आप कहाँ से आए?
हैदराबाद से आया हूँ। मैं हैदराबाद में अटेंड कर सकता, बट आई वांटेड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ कोलकाता।
क्या है?
कोलकाता इज सिटी ऑफ फुटबॉल, तो मैं यहाँ आना चाहता, एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहता था, पर जो हुआ ये टोटली डिसअपॉइंटिंग है। लोग 10,000 20,000 करके रीसेलिंग टिकट्स भी लिए हैं, पर जो ये हुआ, फिर जो मैनेजमेंट ने पहले शो लेट स्टार्ट हुआ, फिर
क्या लगता है कौन जिम्मेवार है? क्या देखो
मैनेजमेंट, कंप्लीट
इंक्लूडेड स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर।
ज्यादातर तो छवि में अरूप बिश्वास को सेल्फी लेते हुए देखा गया।
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली हम लोग 5,000 रुपए 10,000 रुपए, हम लोग 5,000 रुपए 10,000 रुपए।
Ritik, I think I understand your point. I'm also going to go across to my colleague Rika, who's with us at the broadcast. Rika, of course, these are angry fans. They're blaming the management. They're blaming the minister who was seen taking a selfie with Messi. What is it that you make of the situation?
Well, first thing first, I really have to say that Ritik and Sreshi, both our colleagues, are in a really unenviable situation. On one hand, there are these angry fans. On the other hand, the police, the administration, the political masters, they have to catch all the reactions, and it is not easy at all to be in the middle of angry fans like the ones that we are seeing. And yes, what we saw in the pictures, it's essentially the organizers, the political masters who was surrounding, political masters of the state, I would say, who was surrounding Lionel Messi. Many of the fans out there who were talking to Hrithik. They are alleging.
Right, Rekha, I'm really sorry to cut you short. We actually have breaking news coming in at this hour. Important to understand that, in fact, in the latest that we're tracking in this, the BJP has targeted the Bengal Chief Minister over the Messi event. Important to understand, there seems to be, of course, political reactions coming in at this hour. The BJP has said in our court that there is chaos and mismanagement at the Kolkata Stadium and that Messi left within 15 minutes. Important reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now the BJP has hit out at the TMC saying that an inept TMC leader was surrounded by Messi. Important information we're tracking at this hour, as the BJP has also weighed in on, in fact, the stadium chaos that unfolded in West Bengal's Kolkata. Remember that the BJP has targeted the Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over the Messi event, saying that there was utter chaos and mismanagement at the Kolkata Stadium, and at the start of the event, Lionel Messi left within 15 minutes of arriving at the venue. The BJP has also gone on to slam TMC leaders, saying that it is due to inept TMC leaders that it surrounded Messi, that of course the crowd was not able to see Messi. Visuals of which, of course, present on your screens at the moment. Well, it seems as politics has erupted over, of course, Messi's event in West Bengal. Remember, visuals present on your screens at the moment, which are actually also show angry fans who are throwing bottles at the organizers inside the stadium. It's important to understand that fans who, in fact, even spoke to NDTV are demanding a full refund from the management. They've, in fact, even blamed the management as well as the Kolkata police and even leaders such as TMC Minister Arup Biswas. It's important to understand that the sports minister was seen taking a selfie with Messi, which seems to have triggered the fans who are now saying that it is due to the sports minister and the officials surrounding Messi that they were unable to spot the football icon. In the latest that we're getting at the hour, the BJP, my apologies, has in fact even targeted the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over the Messi event. Remember that Mamata Banerjee was also expected to meet Messi, and BJP has slammed, saying that there was chaos and mismanagement at the Kolkata Stadium. The BJP has said that Messi left within 15 minutes of his arrival, and it is due to inept TMC leaders who surrounded Messi that the fans were not able to spot him. Remember that there were fans coming in from various parts of the country, fans especially flown in and even paid for the tickets to see the football icon. Remember that the football icon is on a 3-city tour in India. It's called the GOAT Tour. He is expected to go to Hyderabad next, after which he will be going to Mumbai and ending his tour with a visit to the Prime Minister in New Delhi, where he will also have a small segment at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. This event could perhaps even cause a change in his plans, given the fact that there seems to be mass amount of agitation amongst the supporters, amongst the fans who are extremely unhappy that they could not catch a glimpse of their favorite football star. It seems like a political controversy has erupted with the BJP targeting West Bengal over the Messi event. While going back to my colleague Hrithik on this, Hrithik, there seems that politics has already erupted on the event. In the latest, we're hearing the BJP target in fact the Chief Minister as well as TMC leaders. What is the latest that you're getting at this hour?
See, what we do understand that at this point in time, this is going to boil the Bengal politics as well, because we did see Bengal Minister Arup Biswas, who happens to be the, who is the sports minister of the state. He was, leading this entire thing. We did see several times, announcing Arup Biswas at the ground. And when Messi was there, Arup Biswas was, just next to him, and the organizer.
I'm really sorry to interrupt you there. We actually have a reaction coming in from BJP Shehzad Poonawalla. Let's also listen into what the leader had to say.
Have come out from the Messi event in the Kolkata Stadium. And for this, only the TMC government and administration is to blame. Nobody else is to blame. The fact is that this is causing global embarrassment to us all, because Messi is a global sporting icon. Obviously, thousands and thousands and thousands of people will come to see him. They have paid huge money for watching him, for being part of the event. They will want a glimpse of him. They will want to see him. So adequate arrangements, adequate security is necessary. But all of that was missing. And to then make it worse, inept leaders of TMC wanting favors for themselves and their family were surrounding Messi, denying fans their rightful opportunity. And then fans were forced to take certain steps. Nobody condones any kind of violence, but these are exactly like the scenes that we saw in Bengaluru Stampede. What if somebody would have got injured? We don't know the real reports. Maybe injuries must have happened. What if the global sporting icon would have been injured? He had to leave the event immediately. The police was not there in the adequate numbers. The administration was absent. There was lack of planning. It is all evident. And it is only TMC and their government and administration to blame. Already TMC leaders are blaming the fans. Already TMC leaders are blaming everybody else. Shameful TMC. You have embarrassed us all. And you have embarrassed us in front of our guests. You have embarrassed us in front of the world. Take responsibility. Every time you fail, you can't even organize one event. Most unruly, messy scenes have...
Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour. There seems to be reaction coming in from West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Important to understand that the West Bengal Chief Minister has reacted to, in fact, the chaos that unfolded at the Kolkata Stadium for the first time. She said, and I quote, that I'm deeply disturbed and shocked by the mismanagement witnessed today at the Salt Lake Stadium. She goes on to add that I was on my way to the stadium to attend the event with thousands of sports lovers and fans who had gathered to catch a glimpse of their favorite footballer, Lionel Messi. Important to understand that Mamata Banerjee has in fact even said that she sincerely apologizes to Lionel Messi as well as to all the sports lovers and fans for the unfortunate incident. She's also said that she will be constituting an inquiry committee under the chairmanship of Justice retired in fact Ashim Kumar Ray, with the Chief Secretary and the Additional Chief Secretary of Home and Hill Affairs Department as members. Now, the committee constituted by Mamata Banerjee, as she says, will conduct a detailed inquiry into the incident and fix responsibility and recommend measures. Important to understand that the Chief Minister has in fact reacted to the Kolkata chaos in the stadium. She's gone on to say that she apologizes to the sports fan and also says that she has constituted a committee to inquire into the incident and fix responsibility. Going back to my colleague Ritik on this. Ritik, of course, the Bengal Chief Minister has reacted to the incident on the first this is the first reaction coming in. What is it that you're bringing us at this hour?
Well, definitely there is an initial reaction that is coming from the ruling dispensation. Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, has reacted to this entire incident. Remember, yes, she was about to attend that event. Even she could arrive at the Yuva Bharati Stadium. She was on her way to Yuva Bharati Stadium when this chaos took place. And we also were given to understand that TMC has reacted to this. Kunal Ghosh has spoke over this incident. But TMC or the ruling dispensation cannot shift the blame to anybody else, because we did see, the presence of the Bengal minister Arup Biswas with Lionel Messi, and also the main organizer and several dignitaries who were surrounded him inside the stadium. They were all close to this ruling dispensation, but as the Chief Minister has already ordered a thorough probe into this matter, but this is not letting die down the anger among the spectators. Remember, many of them came with this ticket because they have spent money, and they came all along outside of Kolkata. We met several people with us. I believe these people are from Northeast. So please let me tell you. So where you
right, Ritik, I'm really sorry to interrupt you there. There seems to be reaction coming in from Kunal Ghosh. Let's also listen in to what he had to say.
देखिए, ये मेसी को लेकर युवा भारती क्रीड़ांगन सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम में जो हुआ है वो एकदम अनफॉर्चुनेट है. हम लोग कंडेम कर रहा है, और बीइंग वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ मोहन बागान क्लब, नेशनल क्लब ऑफ इंडिया, मैं भी इसको कंडेम कर रहा हूं. कुछ लोग मेसी के सामने, पास में, पूरा बीच में रख के ऐसे गाइड करके रखा, जो गैलरी से जो सपोर्टर्स है, मेसी लवर्स है, फुटबॉल लवर्स है, बहुत ऊंचे प्राइस से टिकट खरीदा है, वो लोग डिप्राइव्ड हो गया. और कुछ लोग शेमफुल बिहेवियर, शेमफुल अनकल्चर्ड बिहेवियर जो ये किया, उसका नतीजा जो फुटबॉल फैंस को जो इमोशन था उसका आउटबर्स्ट हो गया. इसीलिए वो पानी का बोतल से शुरू होकर कुछ अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हो गया. ये जो सेंटिमेंट है फुटबॉल फैंस का, मैं एज वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ मोहन बागान क्लब उसको सपोर्ट करता हूं, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा संयम दिखाना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम ये हमारा फेवरेट स्टेडियम है, और ये सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम जो है वो डैमेज हो रहा है. और इसके बारे में अभी भालचर पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ भालचर, कुछ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये शुरू कर दिया है। ये कलकत्ता को बदनाम करने के लिए पहले तो एक अनफॉर्चुनेट घटना तो हो ही गया, लेकिन आपका जो ये जोश है, आपका जो क्षोभ है, आप गुस्से में आकर जो कर रहे हैं, उससे कुछ भालचर जो पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ भालचर करते हैं, कुछ वो लोग अभी घुस गए हैं। वो कलकत्ता
Well, that was TMC's Kunal Ghosh talking about how Messi was in fact surrounded by a sea of people. Important to understand that one of his own ministers from the TMC, the sports minister of West Bengal, was also present amidst that crowd. So it remains to be seen how in fact TMC fixes accountability and pacifies the angry fans. On that note, stepping into a very short break, more news and updates on the other side.